Verifying your identity on remote.com is an important step to ensure the security of your account and to comply with legal requirements. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit remote.com and sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to, as you will need it for verification. Step 2. Access the verification section. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide required documents. Prepare the necessary documents for identity verification. This usually includes a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license, and possibly a proof of address like a utility bill. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your identification documents. Make sure to double-check that you have uploaded the correct files and that they meet the specified requirements in terms of format and size. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, you will need to wait for remote.com to review your submission. This process may take some time, so be patient. You will receive an email notification once your identity has been verified or further action is needed. Once you have completed these steps, your identity verification should be successfully processed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to remote.com support for assistance.